What's going on, everyone? Today's video is made up of two separate days. The first day I was fishing with JC and we dealt with strong north winds, but we were able to find some solid fish. And the second day was a quick solo trip I had where I was able to catch a couple good fish.
What is these animals? Oh my lord.
You got one?
Oh my.
Oh, snook bait. All right, so we might be safe here. Just to load up.
I told you there were little baby fish.
Oh my god, dude, these are beautiful. Oh, okay, I'll put my Slam Shady back on. These are beautiful snook baits. This might actually turn into a day. Catching fish in a freaking hurricane. Super low tide, just bouncing it through this little deep cut, this little canal leading to the marina over here. I think there should be some fish stacked up in here. Really, like no water out on the flat, so they kind of get funneled into these little deeper spots like this. That's a fish. Dude, not a bad trout. Not a bad trout. Dude, the wind noise is gonna be so bad.
We talking about how stupid you look?
With my blanket of a towel. That's not a bad trout. It's a fat one. Whoop. Cute little guy. See you, dude. We're gonna try and get a couple more trout here in this little canal type system on the shallow flat on either side. Get one or two more trout here, and then we're gonna see if we can go into some protective areas with some live shrimp and the little ladyfish and pinfish that we got, and see if we can get some snook and maybe some redfish in there. See if we can get a little slam on this incredibly windy day.
Man, we're gonna catch a 39 3/4 inch snook.
Dude, if we even catch like one, like
Overslot.
over 30, like even 30, like even if we get like 130, I'll be like, all right, today was a good day. Oh, there we go.
Whoa!
Oh, dude.
No.
Yeah,
That isn't a trout.
that's big. That's big. What did I hook?
Dude, is that a cobia?
Is this a red?
Dude.
This might be a red.
What were you just saying about hooking something over 30? That looks heavy.
You see his head shakes? This has got to be a red.
Bonnethead?
No, Bonnethead would have ran. Should I take my towel off?
Yeah, I'm like, Brent's got a cape. Don't worry about it.
I was cold, okay? That's a red.
That is a red.
Yep. Dude, not a bad red either on the Slam Shady weedless over here. Okay. I'm like, how big is this guy actually gonna be? Come on. This is kind of wild. I cast it like way up there, like quite shallow, and I don't know, I guess there was a red up there. How big are you about to be? Dude, not a bad one.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
That is not a bad red. On the grass flat right here near the deeper water on a weedless Slam Shady. This is fun on this setup. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on up here, dude. You put up a good fight. Come on over. All right. Oh yeah. Hey, dude. Slam Shady right on the corner of his mouth right there. And there we go. Whoa. Dude,
That's a
good redfish. You got a little blood on me, but let me take my towel off. My blanket that I was wearing all day. Dude, yeah, that's 26, 27 probably. Oh, I got him good right there. He was not coming off. There we go.
You're 100% on this camera.
Okay. And there we go. Solid redfish right there on the weedless slam shady. He's kind of bleeding, so I'm gonna get him in the water here quickly. So that's already part 2 of my slam. And there he goes. Not expecting that at all.
That was so random.
I'll take that though.
That's a weird looking trout.
Yeah, that's a thick trout. Dude, I casted like kind of way past the...
I was doing that earlier, casting so shallow.
Yeah.
I was like, there's probably nothing over there.
After releasing that red, we moved to a residential canal protected from the wind to target snook.
I'm gonna start with the slam shady in here. Got one. Got one. No idea how big. Oh, big. It seems pretty big, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can we talk about how you still have the cape on?
Oh yeah, I got the cape on. Dude, it's not warm. I got my cape on to keep me warm because I forgot my sweatshirt.
Sir?
He's not small.
Which is way out.
Not small. Cape coming off. I can't. Dogs are barking. Fish are hooked.
I want it! I'll take it!
Dude, that's not a bad one. Not a bad snook on artificial right there. I should loosen up. That slam shady is down his throat. Come on over here, dude. I'm gonna close that for now. Come. Come on up. Come on over here, dude. I have it so loose because I think it's down his throat right now.
Yeah.
I feel like I have to keep my cape on now.
It's a lucky cape.
Yeah. Come on over here.
Like lower 30s.
Yeah. Come on over here. Come on over here. Oh no, dude, it's like hanging on his chin. Oh no, it's around the corner of the mouth. Got him.
Yeah! Yes, sir.
Dude, that's upper. That's mid 30s, I think.
Oh yeah, that's probably 34, 35.
Yeah, that's a lot bigger than I thought. Dude, that would have been a ladyfish muncher.
Would have been.
That would have been. Yep, there's a nice snook right there, probably low 30s. I got my slam, my 3 fish I've caught today was a slam all on the slam shady. I think it was all on the slam shady today. Weedless hook, just casting up here by these docks. Got the construction workers cheering us on, but let's get a release on this girl. That was right up there where you just got yours too.
Yep.
Oh, she's already fighting me. See you, girl.
Dude, nice fish.
All right, let's see if we can add to the slam now, or add to just the day.
Yeah, really.
See if we can get some trout to start the day out here on this grass flat. Got a dolphin over there, so not the best sign in the world. Probably scaring all the fish, but let's see. Honestly, wouldn't mind taking ladyfish right now to either use as live bait for big snook or cut bait for redfish. Ladyfish are a good bait option. Oh. Yep, ladyfish. Got him. No! Okay, there's some ladyfish out here. There we go. Ladyfish or trout? Oh, this one might actually be a trout. Come on over here. Nope, ladyfish.
Get him in. Woo! He's in there. It's a good cut bait size. It's a little big for a live bait, but take him for cut bait. So one thing I'm noticing right away as I get close to this island is there's not nearly as many mullet jumping as I like to see around this island, and usually that's an indicator that there's just not too much life going on around here. So if I start seeing some mullet jump, maybe I'll feel a little bit better, but as of right now, I'm not feeling too confident with this spot. I'm gonna take the ladyfish right here. Got him. We're gonna try a little cut bait up here by this island. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you what's about to happen. Do a little movie magic right quick. There we go. A little bloody, but it'll be fine. Let's take a piece of this ladyfish. Got a fluoro circle hook right there with a little split shot. Rinse my hand off. I'm gonna go over here. Don't mind the plane flying over. Check my drag. Pretty good. Over here by this point, I'm already seeing more mullet activity here than the other spot. I'm gonna cast it out right on the edge. You can see it go down right at the edge of the grass over there. Just gonna cast this out. Right about there. And then I got these little Yeti rod holders, so I can just put that right there. And that should keep it pretty good, so I don't have to have very loose drag. Should be able to just kind of set itself as soon as it gets bit. There's mullet jumping all around, but I'm gonna go get my artificial going and cast that around while this is waiting. Tied on a little power prawn instead of the slam shady. Gonna bounce that around, see what I can get. Could be some trout, redfish, a lot of different things. There's a fish, right there. There's a trout. Not a bad trout. Came off the power prawn there. Yeah, that is not a bad trout. Probably 16, 17 inches right there. Come on over here. Yeah, just had to find a spot that had mullet, had bait kind of happening over here. First spot did not. See you, dude. Oh. Got him. Got something. What I got? What is this? Little red? Or trout? Another trout. Another good trout. This one's a little bit bigger than the first one, I bet. Okay, we found some trout here. Yeah, that's a solid one. Oh! See you, dude! It's probably, that one was probably closer to like 18. Alright, they're liking the power prawn right now. See if we can get another one. Right here, right by the boat. Oh, he popped up, no! There's one right by the boat. Right here by the boat. Look at that, that's a good trout. Okay, buddy, shake your head a little bit more. Wonder if that's the one that hit right by the boat before. Yeah, he's a real healthy trout. That guy's so healthy, like so fat, even in the shoulders. Just get the release on you. There we go, got the hook. See you, dude. Jesus! Were you recording?